Welcome to Kitty's Patio Makeover. Hi guys, I'm Hachey from autumnhachey.com and Make Moves Vintage. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for being here. We're gonna be doing lots of really fun DIY and decor videos. So stay tuned for that. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. We're here today to reveal Kitty's Patio Makeover. This is a project that I've been working on with Kitty for a couple months now, and we're super excited to reveal it. We did a video with House and Home earlier this morning, and today we're just doing all the photos, and we want to take you behind the scenes and really talk about some of the furniture selections and some of the really cool custom Make Moves pieces that we put into this space. So here it is. So one of the biggest undertakings we did in this space to really transform it was paint. So we painted both decks. We did the deck a darker shade that would really contrast nicely with the paneling. And then we did the top deck in a checkerboard pattern. So we really wanted to incorporate tiles into this space, but since there wasn't really an opportunity for that, we thought it'd be really cool to DIY the top of the deck. So we just painted a checkerboard pattern on the deck, and I'll be sharing a link to that tutorial on the blog. So if you're interested in that. My partner Bo, he created the planter boxes for us. So we built those from scratch. It literally took like 3 or 4 hours. So that was a really easy DIY that really just made the space feel wild and kind of like a secret garden vibe, which was really what we were going for. We made the space feel much brighter by painting all of the fence in the surrounding. Just to make it light and bright, it was a dark brown before, so it made a lot of impact. And then of course, flowers and greenery were something that really made a huge impact in the space, just making it feel lush and fresh and like an outdoor oasis. In terms of furniture, we had a lot of custom Make Moves pieces. So the rattan sofa is a 1970s rattan sofa we found online, and we had it reupholstered in Sunbrella outdoor pink fabric. And we carried the same pink fabric over to the Cessna chairs, which were also custom Make Moves pieces. We had a set of black metal chairs, and we used Rust-Oleum gold paint to give them a fresh look and brighten those up. We also have the rattan chair that I'm sitting on, the flanking chairs. These are 1970s vintage as well, and we just ordered pillows off of World Market. So in the big area, we also have a hammock. So we got a hammock also from World Market. When it came to the outdoor rug, we found an amazing rug on World Market. We had to drive to the border to get it, but it was totally worth it. We did a lot of searching, and that rug really kind of like stood out to us. I actually found it in Domino. On the first time that I saw it, I found it in Domino. But it's super boho and like a little bit feminine, but it was the only one that we found that didn't look like an outdoor rug. Like it looks like an indoor rug for outside, but it's like fully waterproof and can withstand the outdoors. So that was a choice that we really loved, and I think it just totally grounds the space and works really well with the checkerboard pattern that we made on the floor. So in the dining area where I'm sitting now, we wanted to have a really big area just for the whole family to enjoy meals and to have guests over. So we went with a giant harvest table, and then we flanked it with 1970s rattan chairs. So these chairs were part of a full set. Then we outfitted them with outdoor pillows, which we got on World Market as well. At the dining table, we also have a set of custom rattan Cessna chairs. So we painted the backs using furniture paint, and then we reupholstered them and sprayed the bases so that they can be outside. We were able to complete this entire makeover for under $5,000, but the one thing that we splurged on was the fire bowl. So we went with a deco concrete fire bowl, and it has elevated the entire space. It's incredible. It's a propane fire pit that you light, and it's just like having your own campfire in your backyard. It's so cozy, and it definitely pulls the space together. One other thing I'll mention is we didn't have enough height on the fence to do string lights, and that was something that we really wanted to add to the space, just to add that whimsy and that charm, because what's a deck without twinkle lights? So yeah, that was something that we were really excited to add, and that little DIY trick was a way for us to have those lights. And the beams are light enough that they can hold the weight of the lights, and they kind of blend into the background, which is exactly what we wanted. Well, thanks for joining us at Kitty's Patio Makeover.
Thank you, Autumn.
Yay!
Amazing.
We did it! Cheers!